Assalamu alaikum friends. I am going to tell you about the classification of field. Okay. Classification of field is a very important topic of electrodynamics. Okay, I am going to show you a picture with you. This is the picture. Okay. Classification of field. Classification of field. I will tell you about the class 1 field, and then next I will tell you about the class 2 field, class 3 field, and then class 4 field. Okay, what do you mean by class 1 field? Class 1 field is that field whose divergence and whose curl both are 0. First of all, I have to consider a field, a vector field. I have considered a vector field that is f of r. I said that it is the class 1 field. But how it is the class 1 field? I have to prove that. So, for proving this, I will take the divergence of this field, of this vector field, and the curl of this vector field. When I take the divergence of this vector field, it will become 0. And when I take the curl of this vector field, it will also be 0. Okay. I can write this vector field in term of the gradient of the scalar function. क्या मतलब कि मैं इस वेक्टर फील्ड को ये जो क्लास 1 वेक्टर फील्ड है इसको मैं ग्रेडियंट की फॉर्म में भी लिख सकती हूँ। और इसकी हमारे पास एक खूबसूरत एग्जांपल भी है, मैं आपको इसके बारे में बताऊँगी। तो अगर इसका जो हमारे पास जो वेक्टर फील्ड है वो ग्रेडियंट ऑफ अनदर स्केलर फील्ड के इक्वल है, तो हमारे पास यहाँ पर ये इस इक्वेशन में divergence of vector field, that is class 1 vector field में अगर मैं ये वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दूँ, यहाँ पर f of r की जगह पे मैं अगर लिख दूँ नेगेटिव डाइवर्जेंस ऑफ द स्केलर फील्ड, then it will also be equal to 0 because we have studied in chapter 1 that divergence of the gradient of field is equal to 0, and this will multiply with each other and it will become a scalar, del scalar into scalar field is equal to 0. This is a very famous equation, that is Laplace scalar equation. Okay. How I will say that this is the scalar, this is the vector field, that is class 1 vector field. And how we will find, if someone say to me that find the class 1 vector field, then how I will find? I will find by using this relation, this Laplace scalar equation. I will solve this Laplace scalar equation, and then by using the boundary conditions I will get the class 1 field. Okay. What is the example of the class 1 field? Class 1 field is a static electric field in the charge-free region. As we have studied that divergence and the curl of the static electric field is 0. Okay, and the static magnetic field in the current-free region is also a class 1 field. Okay, now I am going to tell you about the things that is okay. How we can write that how we can say that class 1 vector field is equal to the negative divergence of f of r. Okay, as I tell you that static electric field and static magnetic field both are the examples of the class 1 field. So I just take the static electric field. Static electric field is equal to, okay, static electric field, divergence of the static electric field in charge free region is 0. Okay, and we have studied that electric field is equal to the negative divergence of potential, scalar potential. So, if here this E, this E is the class 1 electric field, and we can denote it like this. So you can compare these two. These two equations are very similar with each other. Okay. If you like this lecture, tell me in comments. I will share new and modified lecture with you. And please subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.